Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share that Christmas card. Before I show you the card, please subscribe my channel, and if you click on the bell you will know about my new project. I promise myself 6th October I will do every day Christmas card till Christmas. So supposed to be like 80 Christmas card, and also every week I put one or two mini albums. So let's see what the card number 8, no, number 7 look like. So I just cut on the machine that flour and glued together. Here I put greeting on the mounting tape. On the back is closure like that, and here we can write some message. So if I closed, I open that heart, ta-da, and one heart have a card message for you, other heart have a joyous Christmas, and when we open, it's two girls skating, and opposite left right heart is Christmas tree with some gift. So that is my card. 7 from 80, and the closure is like that. Very simple. Oops. And the paper which I use, it's from Stamperia Pink Christmas. Very nice card. Again, ask you to subscribe my channel, and also I want to tell thank you to visit my channel, and hope you like this card. Bye bye guys.